Welcome back to The Big Sweep, all you busy parents and homemakers alike. Today we have an extraordinary treat in store for you. We're about to unveil a collection of little-known cleaning hacks that will leave you wondering where we have been all your life. Whether you're a busy parent or a dedicated homemaker, these tricks will revolutionize the way you clean your home. Get ready to witness the power of our professional-grade cleaning techniques, and stay tuned to the end of the video for our exciting and helpful bonus hack. Let's get started in the heart of the home, the kitchen. This space is a battleground for dirt and grime, but don't be afraid. We have an arsenal of tricks and hacks that will leave your kitchen spotless. Our list starts at number 15. Say goodbye to stubborn microwave stains. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into it. Pop the bowl in the microwave and heat it for 3 minutes on high. Wipe down the interior with a microfiber cloth, and voila! A sparkling clean microwave awaits. The steam will work its magic, loosening all the dirt and grime. Number 14. Cutting boards can harbor odors and bacteria, but we have a solution. Sprinkle coarse salt over the board, then take a lemon half and rub it across the surface. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, while the lemon's acidity kills germs and eliminates odors. Rinse the board with warm water, and it's as good as new. Number 13. Tired of battling grease stains on your stove? Here's an unbeatable hack. Use equal parts baking soda and vinegar to create a powerful degreasing team. Apply it to the greasy areas, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush or sponge. Rinse thoroughly and witness the disappearance of grease stains. Number 12. Let's not forget about your trusty blender. After blending your favorite concoctions, cleaning it can be a hassle. But not anymore. Fill the blender halfway with warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, and blend for 30 seconds. Rinse it out, and your blender will shine like it's fresh out of the box. This is no time to grab a snack. Stay with us to the end of the video for a super bonus hack. Now let's move on to the sanctuary of cleanliness, the bathroom. With our exclusive hacks, your bathroom will radiate a level of cleanliness you never thought possible. Number 11. Say goodbye to soap scum on your shower doors. Combine equal parts white vinegar and dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the doors, let it sit for 5 minutes, then scrub with a non-scratch sponge or brush. Rinse thoroughly and behold the sparkling clarity of your shower doors. Number 10. Are grout lines driving you insane? We have the ultimate solution. Create a powerful paste by mixing baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply the paste to the grout lines, let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub with a grout brush. Rinse well and marvel at your grout's newfound brilliance. Number 9. Hard water stains on your faucets and fixtures are no match for our secret hack. Soak a cloth in distilled white vinegar, wrap it around the affected areas, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Remove the cloth, scrub gently with a non-scratch sponge, and rinse with water. Witness the revival of your gleaming faucets. Number 8. Let's face it, cleaning toilets is nobody's favorite task. But don't run away, for we have a trick that will revolutionize your approach. Drop a few denture cleaning tablets into the bowl and let them fizz away for 15 minutes. Grab your toilet brush, give it a vigorous scrub, flush, and voila! A sparkling clean throne awaits. Now let's venture into the living areas and bedrooms, the spaces where relaxation and cleanliness intertwine. Brace yourselves for the most transformative cleaning hacks you've ever encountered. Number 7. Are your carpets looking less than pristine? Say hello to our secret weapon, baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over your carpets and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then, grab your vacuum cleaner and suck up all the baking soda along with the trapped odors. Behold the magic of fresh, odor-free carpets. Number 6. Dusting those hard-to-reach places can be a challenge, but not for us. Take an extendable microfiber duster, reach for those high corners and ceiling fan blades, and witness the disappearance of dust. With each swipe, your home becomes a temple of cleanliness. Number 5. Are those nasty smudges and grimy fingerprints ruining the screens on your phone, laptop, tablet, and TV? We have an easy answer for you. Just kidding, of course. Grab a microfiber cloth and spritz it with a screen cleaning solution. Gently wipe down your TV or computer screens and watch the smudges vanish. Behold the crystal clear view that awaits you. We know you're anxious to get cleaning, but stick around to the end and take advantage of that bonus hack. Now let's step into the great outdoors, the realm of freshness and rejuvenation. Brace yourselves for our game-changing hacks that will make your outdoor spaces shine like never before. Number 4. Windows longing for a streak-free shine? Our secret window cleaning potion will astound you. Combine equal parts distilled water and isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto your windows, wipe with a lint-free cloth, and witness the glass sparkle like diamonds. Number 3. Is your patio furniture begging for a refresh? Fear not, for we have the ultimate hack. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap in a bucket. Grab a soft bristle brush or sponge and scrub away the grime. Rinse thoroughly with a hose and marvel at your revitalized outdoor seating. Number 2. Are your grill grates looking greasy and unappetizing? We have a solution that will leave them pristine. Cut an onion in half and rub it vigorously across the hot grates. The onion's natural acidity will break down the grease, allowing you to effortlessly brush it away. Prepare for perfectly grilled delicacies. Number 1. Has your patio umbrella seen better days? Rejoice, for we have a trick that will restore its former glory. Fill a bucket with warm water and add a splash of mild dish soap. Dip a brush into the soapy solution and gently scrub the umbrella fabric. Rinse with a hose and bask in the rejuvenated shade. And now for our bonus hack. Is pet hair taking over your furniture? Worry no more. Grab a rubber glove, slightly dampen it, and glide your hand over the upholstery. Watch in awe as the pet hair clings to the glove, leaving your furniture fur-free. Rinse the glove, repeat the process, and marvel at the effectiveness of this simple trick. Hey, cleaning aficionados, that's just part of our exclusive collection of top-secret cleaning hacks that have revolutionized the way we clean our homes. From the kitchen to the bathroom, the living areas to the great outdoors, no corner will be left untouched by the power of our techniques. We hope you found these professional-grade cleaning hacks both awe-inspiring and practical. Remember, a clean home not only promotes a healthy environment, but also enhances your overall well-being. Let us know in the comments below which hack blew your mind the most. And if you know someone who could benefit from these incredible cleaning hacks, be sure to share this video with them. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary cleaning journey. Remember, with these professional-grade cleaning hacks, you have the power to transform your home into a haven of cleanliness and order. Until next time, keep cleaning, keep shining, and keep making your home a place of true brilliance.